Hi, I'm Kate. Today we're at Thimbles in Lockport, Illinois, and I'm with Tammy.
Hi Kate, thanks for having me. Today we're going to make a pillow, a decorative pillow out of a dish towel. Here you have a tea towel that you could buy at the store. And the reason I selected this is because it's completely hemmed all the way around.
Okay.
And what I'm going to do is cut this right up the center. I need a front. I could use the same towel and cut the front from the same piece. I'm going to cut the piece of fabric based on the pillow form that I use. So this pillow form is 18 inches by 18 inches. I'm going to cut it exactly 18 inches because I want it as tight as it can be so I get a nice firm form on my pillow. I have my two pieces that I'm using for my back, and I'm going to lay them right side up, but the folds are going to be in the middle.
Okay.
This is your finished hem right here. All right, so I'm going to overlap and make sure they're even. You're going to make it match your 18-inch piece. So this is the other dish towel that I've already cut to 18 inches square because that's the size of my pillow form. And I'm going to match this edge up here, and then I'm just going to pin here across the top. So I'm just going to cut the edges off. Here's the flap we put in there. I'm just going to turn this inside out. So go ahead and stuff our pillow.
All right. I love it. It's so pretty. I learned something new today. I hope you did too. See you next time.
Bye-bye.